guys, it's me again, Jack Patubo of Eclations, and I welcome you to another episode on my channel. As usual, I'd like to say hi, I missed you. Now actually, let me greet you. Happy New Year! Yes, it's December 31 today, and it's the last day of 2019, and 12 midnight tonight will be welcoming the year 2020. But before we do that, let me show you my last Happy Mail for the year. Ta-da! And if you look at the logo, I bet you would know what this is. Alright, it's a December kit from Vida Prints. It contains a lot of planner stuff and I'm so excited to show them to you. I actually got this on the mail last week, but we were in Baguio. I was with my family, so I haven't been able to do this unboxing. So let me do this with you now on New Year's. So here's our box, and let me open them. Let's see what's inside. We've got the usual bubble wrap. There. It comes with this usual pink box, white and gray bows. Pretty packaging. And of course, it's our Vida Prints package with the sticker. There. Oh, sorry. This one. Ta-da! There. So, I'll just pull this out. Oh, sorry. Naruin na din siya. Sorry. Ah, doggy! No. Go there, baby. It's Cooper, my sister's dog. He's so cute. Oh, dreams do come true. So, if you see, this month's theme is rainbow or rainbows. So this one comes from Smith & Bit Frills, original hand-drawn kawaii planner stickers. All things pretty and a little bit kawaii. Kawaii means cute in Japanese. I really didn't want to open the envelope because it's glued. And the envelope itself is very pretty. So we have a guest. Cooper, go down. Eee, pink stickers. Smith & Bit Frills. Oh, cutie. So these are hand-drawn. Very pretty. And a lot of inspiring, motivational stickers. Thank you so much for this, Smith & Frills. The next we have a planner band from Purple Fashion. If you see from the first kit, we had the planner band that's made of flowers. I created that, and this one this time is a butterfly. Cooper, no! Sorry, we have a special guest. Cooper, go down. And this is a planner bag. It's a butterfly. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna be using this for my 2020 planner. And then this one are stickers again from Noted Journal PH. Very pretty. This kit is really colorful. So if you're into the colorful rainbow clouds, hearts type, this one will really work for you. I really like it. I'm eyeing one Happy Planner Mini that's actually rainbow or pastel themed, and if I do get that, I might just use these with them. With it. This one is from Big Element Stickers. Can be used to decorate your spreads, dividers, covers, and dashboards. Thank you so much. Oh, pretty. This one, LMH, My Little Miss Helper. Make, create, curate. I actually saw their stickers in the, I think that was the planner soiree last year, and I really loved their designs. I just had to purchase, and I'm so glad that I have another set here from this kit. Thank you so much. Oops. Then this one is from Crab's Delight. crabsdelight.com. Okay. So they have some care instructions there, and there are, oh, these are functionals. You can use this for your undated planners, or if you want to reuse old planners, you can just use these to cover up the dates and the dates. You Are You. Oh, I like this so much. You Are You, the company, youareyouco.com. Okay, so these are planner dividers. And if you could see, these are the items. Okay, I asked them to make for me. It says work, home, Dana, that's my daughter, and sorry, and of course, eclations. There, so to track my eclations. Oh, so pretty. This is just so pretty. And this one is from Crochet with Felicity. Okay, so you can go to their Facebook account, Crochet with Felicity. This is, I think, a pouch. You can put your stickers, your pens, and your micro notes, notebooks or notepads here. It's handmade as well. So there you have it. That is our rainbow kit from Vida Prints, the December kit or planner kit number 3. Thank you so much as always, Ms. Marife, for assembling this kit and for putting in all the pretty stuff, for working with different local artists. So thank you so much for always helping prettify our planners. Thank you so much, and do watch out for their next kit. If you are interested in getting a kit of your own, I think she'll be releasing another one either this January. So you can head onto Facebook, look for Vida Prints, join the group, and watch out for her announcements. Thank you so much. Bye! Love it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing of the Vida Prints December planner kit or planner kit number 3. So again, join Vida Prints on Facebook to be able to get your own kits in the future. And also, if you like this video, or if you want to see more videos on unboxing planner kits, have tools, materials, or if you want tutorials, I also do them. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. That's eclations. Thank you so much. Good night. God bless, and again, Happy New Year!